What is the frequency of a pendulum with a length of 2 meters near the surface of the Earth? The equation for frequency is 1 over 2 pi times the square root of g over L. G is the gravitational acceleration on Earth. L is the length of the pendulum. So we substitute in 1 over 2 pi, 9.8 meters per second squared. Let's put another one here. Divided by the length of 2 meters. And let's look at the units. We have the meters cancel out. We're left with 1 over second squared. Take the square root of that, 1 over second, which is hertz, and we get 0.35 hertz. Answer is B.